Hi guys, quick video here on couple moves that I made, and basically just still waiting on that a major pullback. I believe it's still going to come. I'm going to give it until the end of March to get a major pullback. If we don't, that just means the market will forever go up. It never comes down. It just goes up and up and up. If we've been up so much and we just don't get a pullback. Obviously, I'm just joking. Anyway, let me do disclosure first. I'll tell you, I trimmed my short position a little bit, but I'm still net short, and I did build a couple hedges in case it goes up, and it's worked so far. It helped me keep my losses pretty limited so far this year. So just remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Invest involves risk. Only invest the amount of money you can afford to lose, and invest at your own risk. The value of investments and the income derived from them can go down as well as up. The future returns are not guaranteed, and the loss principal may occur. The information contained here is not intended to be used as a sole basis of investment decisions, not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. So I mentioned in the last video that I bought Lyft right before they reported that went up to about 19. It's about 16 right now. And if it pulls back to probably the $14 range, I'll probably add to it. I plan on keeping that. It kind of seems just like Uber did before. It kind of seems like Lyft is figuring things out on how to become profitable. I don't think it would be that hard. All they need to do is copy what Uber did. They have, pretty much the same thing, just smaller than Uber, but pretty much they operate pretty much the same way. So anyway, I still have that Tesla. There's the 5-year plan. I still own that. And then I got in and out of UVIX. There's the long VIX. On the shorter trade, I did pretty good, and then I eventually got out of it. But so I got out of that, and then I got into SVIX, short VIX. And that one, long term, it's a winner. So that's kind of a hedge against my short position that I'm still holding. And also, I bought back into URTY. All of those Lyft, short VIX, and URTY. I sold, and I believe it was a mistake. I didn't have a lot of money in them, so I should have probably just stuck with them. URTY is Russell 2000, so the small companies, leverage 3 times. So that one's kind of like a hedge, and also if it pulls back, then my shorts will go up, and then I'll probably add to that position. Same thing with a short VIX. Unless something major was to happen where, I believe we're going to sink a lot lower for some reason, I'll probably, all of those, as they come down, I'll probably add to those positions. So here's a screenshot of what I'm holding right now. So I trimmed SPXS, that's S&P 500 leverage 3 times. I trimmed that from, I think I had 17,000 and change shares to 10,000. SQQQ, the short NASDAQ 100, that one I still own the same amount of shares, which is 8,000 shares. So those are my positions right now. And like I said, if we do go down, then my shorts in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ will go up, and then I'll add to the other positions for longer term. But that's what I'm holding right now. And basically, like in a very quick recap, the economy is strong right now. AI is on fire, but inflation in January came in really hot. If we get another really hot reading for February, I think the market is going to sink quite a bit. So we'll see what we get for February. It's very possible we get something hot. If not, we'll see. But that's for next few weeks, couple weeks. That's probably the biggest number that's going to come out. That's That's the VIX, the CPI. We're going to get PCE, personal consumption, on Thursday, but that one's going to be soft. That's for January. It's going to be soft because we already got CPI and PPI. Both of those were, they were hot. So I believe this is going to be hot as well. But I don't know if that's going to make a difference. People already know, that's going to be hot. I think the big number is going to be in the next few weeks, the CPI for January. I probably won't post anything till then unless there's some major movements in the market. But that's my plan. As those three that I added lift, and SVIX and URTY, if they pull down, I'll probably add, and then I'll let my shorts run. I think we're due for a major pullback. It's been a long time coming. I'd be wrong so far, but I'm giving until the end of March for a major pullback. We'll see what happens. Thank you guys. Happy investing, and have a great weekend.